JD Cap 26 here, just do tests and repairs and hobbies. We got the 6-in-1 hammer tool, screwdriver function. Try me, it says. I don't know what it means, try me. Oh, the grip maybe. It's got a nice, it's semi-soft grip. I don't know if we can open this thing. I'll try to. I'll try to open it with this knife. We got a couple tools here we're going to look at. We're going to look at this one and another one. So we got it out of the package. And let's see. These don't screw off. This one does. This one does. This one's replaceable. Okay, so you can screw that off. So you can get another one. I suppose you'd have to write to the company and get that replacement head. You just see who it's made by. Terre products. So you write to Terre products, go to their website. You can probably get parts for it. Now, what's this down here? It's got you unscrew this. Oh, look at that. It's got a bit driver. Use it like a T-handle. Get a lot of leverage that way. Doing screws. And is it, let's see, yeah, some of the bits fell out. 2 of the bits fell out. So the bits do fall out when you turn it upside down. So, yeah, see, like that. This, that doesn't fall out. So be careful when you use this tool. You may want to keep the bits in a separate container. If not in the head, you could lose bits that way. But the construction is pretty good, I would say. Oh, that's hard. This I'm going to put in my box, my toolbox, for tapping stuff. And that's one tool. And we've got another tool over here. This is a very good price on this one. This is a punch set, automatic punch. Okay, let's open this up. And it's got extra punches. You can replace the heads on the punch. So let's see if we can open this. So let's see. I'm going to try to do it on this. I hate to do it on my knife. Let's do it on this anvil. So. It's supposed to click. It doesn't click. Did it make a mark? Made, I don't know. Well, somewhat of a disappointment, huh? We got 2 of them here, actually. Let's try this one. This is a brass one. Open that up. Put that to the side. Let's see, screw that together. Oh yeah, that one works good. Left the mark there. See the mark? This one, I don't know. Oh, maybe it's the tip. Do have 2 different tips here. Let's see. Is this sharper? This one's sharper. Let me see if I can change the tip out, guys. You just unscrew that. Pull the spring out. Pull that pulley out. Pull this part out like this. See, like that? And then you put this one in, like this. Put the plunger back in, and then screw the body on. And, oh yeah, there we go. That made a nice mark. So they both indeed work, okay? And something you could use for your metal work, for drilling screws in metal. And you can also do wood. Use it for wood for, putting in a brad. You want to mark where you want to drill for a brad. It comes in this nice little package with two extra pins. I'd highly recommend that. So we're gonna put that in this kit right here, hopefully. Of course, the hammer is not gonna fit. Put that in there. These screws, I think I'm gonna put in a separate package and take them out of that hard case. Matter of fact, I found out. Let me show you. I found out with these studs. Here's a goodie you're gonna like. Okay, here's a stud you want to put for a sling. Now check this out. See one of these? You can actually use one of these to put the stud in, to put it into the stock very slowly. Put a handle on there. Matter of fact, you could actually use this like that, and turn the stud in very slowly with a little soap on it into the pre-drilled stock, and that'll work just great. So kind of like the Captain Kangaroo show here, huh? All these little different things we show you in each video. Pretty fun, huh, guys? And girls? Girls know how to do this stuff. They sure do. Let me tell you. One of my friends, Airgun Angie, she's got an air gun channel with Gateway Air Guns, and she does really excellent presentations of air guns and other products too, like I do. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please rate and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.